What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside at Intercom, and here we did our system, our integrated smart home video intercom system, and we're able to make the video intercom behave like an intercom where internally the client can use the indoor units to communicate with the other floors, but we have about 4 screens here. So the client wanted to have an intercom, separate intercom system, a phone system, and also a video intercom. But we said no, our video intercom system supports the free internal communication, and then anybody who want to, or our visitors can press on the doorbell, and then you'll receive inside. I want to demonstrate how our system works. 4 indoor units, 1 at the guardhouse, 3 in the main building. So I'm going to demonstrate how it works. So that's the first screen at the inside the guardhouse. Let me show you the rest of the screens. Go. Now the intercom system is ringing on this floor too as well. This is the ground floor. So let's go. Let me show you the rest of the videos. So this is the first floor. As you can see, it's ringing on the first floor too. Let me show you the last screen on the last floor. Well, so this is the very last one on the last floor. So here I can pick up and speak to him. Use the intercom system to open the main entrance gate. Look what I'm going to do that. Yeah, Chrissy, can you hear me?
Yeah, boss, I can hear you.
Great. So this is the second floor. We have 4 screens, like I said, 1 inside the guardhouse and then 3 inside the main building. Now I'm going to use the intercom system to operate the gate, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's go. Chrissy, so we are in the gate now. Alright, so I'm going to use the intercom to operate the gate. Alright, so let's go. Let me show you. Alright, so we didn't get here, but the gate closed. Now the good news is that the clients, so that you can use the intercom, the indoor unit to operate the gate. You can also use your phone to operate the gate. Now, the good news is that the client can operate the gates anywhere she is in the world. Whether she's in Ghana, Madagascar, Mozambique, anywhere in the world she can operate the gate. Let me demonstrate how to operate your gates on your phone. So I'm just going to press on, and then the gate is opening. Alright, now if you want to close the gate, just use the same procedure. There's a padlock button here. I press on it, and then the gate closes. Guys, if you have any project for us, make sure you give us a call. We're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. And this one, what happened is that the clients called us in the process of putting up the wires. We put up the cables and everything, and then we came up with our setup. So anywhere in the world, she can operate her gate. She can open it, she can close it, and then also she can receive the guests on the phone. Guys, like I always say, we are the best guys in the market with the best prices, and we always do the best job. We have due for every budget and every timeline. So call us now so that we come and put the cables inside. If we are done, we fix the system.